What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Eyewitness News has posted this video where they recorded, a lot of people having gone out to show support to the family of those two girls, those Mamelodi girls. So everybody went all out there. I mean, you could see MK Party there, the EFF was there, Action SA was there. Everybody went all out, and I'm sure the ANC was actually in there. So they went to show support and raise awareness to this gender-based violence that is occurring throughout the community. So the good news at the moment is that the suspect who committed this crime against those two girls has been caught, is in court right now. So that guy denied, to apply for bail, and you could see he was actually bowing his head in shame. So this is definitely a sad story that we are witnessing here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.